It is time to make over the half bath. It is not good. It's been driving me crazy every time I'm in here. So let me show you what we need to change. Here she is. We've got some lovely drywall damage from a leak that we had. Well, the roof was leaking part of it, so we had to get that repaired. We have a toilet bowl cover or toilet seat that doesn't fit. A pedestal sink that is barely big enough to hold some soap and has no storage at all. That's getting changed. Of course, the flooring is getting changed. Mirror, probably. New light fixture, this is going. New paint color, probably some kind of wall treatment. We'll see. Did I say new flooring? For sure. But this is hopefully gonna look completely different by the time that we're done with it. Sweating now. Dealing with toilets, not my favorite day of work. I really don't like it, but it's got to be done because we want to put our flooring down and we want it to go like underneath the toilet so it's completely seamless, and I didn't want to have to worry about making all those cuts around the toilet, so it'll just be easier to do it this way, even though it wasn't super easy to take the toilet out. But anyway, so yeah, we need to get these walls painted. This was just the primer coat, so we need to get the walls painted and get the floors down. I'm gonna try to do that today. Walls and floors, those are my main goals today. Still lots to do after that, but those are like the biggest things that I wanna get done. So let's do this. started on these floors. The other time took me 4 times, but this time only took me 1.
For what?
Cutting the circle for the toilet.
I don't know what you're saying.
I'm saying I'm awesome. Can you seriously work out this perfectly? Things never work out like that. This is a good day. This is the last piece. Just made the last cut. Just kidding. We've gotten a lot done in here already. We've gotten the vanity installed. The walls are painted. The toilet is back in, and all the new toilet seat are all good as new. And oh, the floors are done too. So those are kind of the biggest jobs. What we want to do today is we want to change out the light fixture to get some new light fixture is up. Now I want to work on this window right here. We're going to do a little accent wall around it, but it'll be easier. I want to put some trim around it just to make it stand out a little bit, and then we'll do the accent wall around that. Using this old windowsill as a template to mark our new windowsill, so hopefully it'll line up as well as this one did. It's just a shortcut, easier way to do it. got the new windowsill cut, but of course it is, it's not really level. So we're gonna shim it a little bit on this end, and that is just gonna make it a lot more level. And that'll make this project so much easier as we add the side pieces over here and underneath, and it'll look a lot better. Custom measurements for the boards on either side of the window because chances are it is not going to be square, so it'll just save us trouble, less caulking later in the future if you just go ahead and take a measurement of this side and of that side because they're probably different. For the top of the window treatment, it's just a 1x6 and a couple of, well, I ripped them down to 1x2s. I'm doing all of this with scrap wood that I have in the garage that's left over from other projects because, again, I didn't want to go out and have to buy new wood, especially with the prices of lumber these days. So I just used what I had. It just is easier that way. If you have a table saw, you can rip down your wood and make it the whatever dimensions that you need. So this project, this little project that we're doing right here doesn't cost anything. The last thing we're going to do for part 1 of this half-bath makeover is caulk the window trim so it's ready to go when we're done with our accent wall. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure that you are subscribed because part 2 of the half-bath makeover will be coming out next Saturday and you don't want to miss it. Bye! In part 1 of today's video. The last thing that we're going to do in the is caulk the windowsill and the window. Why is talking so hard? Comment down below how you think it's going. Okay, bye. Hey. Yeah. What did you do? Finishing painting this. Can I get in front of the camera though? Like use as a template to break in the lip. Oh boy.
Where did I say go?
Swim? Swim?
Oh my goodness! You want to snuggle?
Yes, I would love to snuggle with you.
I would be